hands together once again for the one and the only. Please put your hands together for Sonam Kapoor. Hello.
Hi everybody. This is so wonderful to see all of you all. I mean, I can barely see you all because it's very dark, but I can see all the camera phones light up, so I can see all of you all again, I guess. But did you like this song? So I try this and let's see how many people say it. Aankhein milayenge. That's how we do it. That's amazing. I'm so happy to be here, especially to speak about my film Nisha, because honestly, this film is made for the future of our country, of the world. It's for the youth. It's about a 23-year-old young girl, and it's about a girl who decided that she had to do her duty, she had to do what was right, and it didn't matter whether it was her life on the line or not. And she was just an ordinary girl. She wasn't a soldier, or she wasn't some of the special powers or anything. She was just an ordinary girl, and she just did the right thing. And all I'm trying to say is that an ordinary girl can also become a hero. So we have a hero in all of us. That's all I want to say, and that's what Nisha is about. That somebody ordinary can be extraordinary if they decide to do the right thing and to do their duty and to live with a conscience. So any of y'all can be a hero, and that's what this film is about, to inspire you to be better. That's all.
Alright, so let's begin the interactive session which we all are here for. Yay. So, ऐसा है कि the people in the audience will ask you questions. So
Can
before,
I see them though? I can't see any of them.
if we can please have the audience light on. इसमें चलने में थोड़ा देर लगता है, रुक जाओ. Alright. So before that happens, let me start off with the interactive session. And here's a question that I have some questions which people told me to ask you. So this question is from my friend Anish here. And
You ask me your friends questions first.
yeah,
Okay, is that fair?
I know, duties first, like friends first, whatever. Anyway, so Anish wants to ask you what inspired you to take up this role.
Well, there are very few characters and very few stories that are inspirational and that tell, and it's a real story. You know, I didn't know much about Nisha because it happened in 1986. It was like a year after I was born, and obviously I didn't know about her. And when I heard the story, I was like, is this a film? You know, because usually all these things happen in movies. They were like, no, this actually happened, and she did this. I was like, so why don't we know more about her? Why don't we know about her? And Ram Madhwani, who's the director, said, you know, if you go outside Sapphire's College, there are paintings of heroes, and there's Mother Teresa, there's etc. Jhansi Ki Rani, and there's also Nisha there. I was like, but why don't we know her as much as we know all these other heroes? He was like, because she was an ordinary girl. And even though she saved 359 lives and she got the Ashok Chakra, she's the youngest recipient of the Ashok Chakra. And I was like, okay, so we need to tell the story. So he's like, yes, because it'll inspire people, it'll inspire ordinary young people, or even people to be better, to understand that if this girl who was just an air hostess, she went to St. Xavier's, she did modeling on the side because she was pretty. Her father was a reporter at Hindustan Times, her mom was a housewife, her brothers just worked in a very ordinary middle class family, and she did this. She saved 359 lives. She's the only girl to get an award from America Pakistan and India. I think she's the only one where all three countries have agreed on to give her an award, otherwise they don't agree on anything. But they decided to do this. So I was just like, why doesn't anybody know about her? She should be more, popular. They were like, we need to do this, we need to make her, because apparently in 1986 she became very popular. A lot of people started naming their children Neerja and everything. And then slowly over time, she was there in the back of the mind, but we don't know her. So this is for her, this film is for her, and this film is for all those unsung heroes who do amazingly brave things and are amazing. They face their fears and still do the right thing. And it's for all of y'all who do this every day as well. You face your fears and live your life. So that's why I said I have to do this film. God knows what will happen, but it's inspired me to be better. And hopefully I'm just not a real life hero and I become a real life hero soon.
Amazing, brilliant stuff. Wow. So, guys, time for your questions now. I believe there are people in the audience with mics, so can we have a question from the audience, please?
Can I please have the light for the audience? Because I can't see any of you all and it's really upsetting me. Is it all right to do that? Yeah, can I call them on stage or is it be too much?
Alright, the one who wants to ask a question, he can come on stage. Cool enough. And I would like to request the organizers once again to try and turn on the audience lights. Okay, we have someone on stage. Perfect.
Hi. What's your name? Hi, Simran.
Alright, I'll give you the mic.
Nice to meet you. You look cute.
Thank you, you too. I saw your movie Bad Mocha Bad, and you did Neerja now.
Yes.
So how important do you think this is for your career, like doing movies that are more realistic, like real stories?
Real so Bhag Milkha Bhag was about Milkha Singh, and I just wanted to be a part of the story because again it was an inspirational film, and it was Rakesh Mehra. I'd done a film called Delhi 6 with him. Remember Masuk Ali, guys? So he made me, like my agent Atul likes to say, world famous in India because of the song and because of the film. So I was like, okay, I need to do this film. Number one, because I wanted to do a film about Milkha Singh, and then also because Rakesh Mehra was directing. I think it's important to be a part of films which have good content. And it doesn't matter whether they're real, so-called real or not real or whatever, but it's important to do films which say something towards the end of it, inspire people or entertain people. There has to be a positive outcome out of it.
I agree. That's my question.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. And Simran, you've got amazing acting.
Amazing!
Okay, guys, let's...
Faces! Amazing! I mean, I'm half blind and I still can see them, so it's great.
Alright, the audience lights are finally on. Good you have a mic of your own.
Hi, sweetheart.
So my question for you is that getting into that aura of a hijack in a plane, how difficult was it for you?
Honestly, my director made it a little easy, or difficult. It was a very physically taxing film, to be very honest. But the hijack took place over 16 hours, and he decided to shoot it docu-style. So we were in that plane for 16 hours doing exactly what everybody else in 1996 did. Really. And it was a fully functioning plane, except it didn't have an engine to fly. So we did exactly everything that they did. It was very extreme, and it was mentally, emotionally, and physically extremely taxing. But if you see the results, it was all worth it. Honestly.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we've got more questions coming up on stage.
Hi. Hi. Is that okay? Is it working? Okay.
Use mine.
Guys, are you going to be muttering through the conversation?
Hi Sona, I am Balu.
Balu?
congratulations on your work.
Thank you.
How aware were you about the incident before the movie makers approached you?
Thank you, Vipra. That's cute. How aware was I? Not much. That's what I said. I wasn't very aware. The whole point of this film was to make them aware.
So how was your experience?
Amazing. And like I said, it was physically, mentally, and emotionally taxing. Guys, is everything okay there? There's a little bit of a... Okay, cool. Thank you. Thank you, Bharat.
So guys, as you can see, your mother your definitely celebrity बन गया. So you guys can also come up and ask questions.
Hello, ma'am. I can't hear you. Hello. Sorry, I'm a teacher. Okay. Of Gateway Vidyalaya IIT Madras.
As you are a youth icon, any message for my students or youth?
My message,
Sonam or as a nature?
I will give a message as Sonam because I don't think I have done enough in my life to say that I'm Nija yet. But I can play Nija, but I'm not. One thing is, don't leave education. It's extremely, extremely important. I regret not finishing. Guys, are you listening? Okay, so I think studying is extremely important and doing the right thing and taking sides. Because suppose you don't, a lot of people, go to the grey line and they decide not to take the side of the right or wrong. If you don't take a side, you're actually siding with the person who's doing wrong. So take a side, stand up for what is right, and don't forget to finish your education. Please don't. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot. Alright. Okay, so now 3 lucky people had the opportunity to become a celebrity and come here. So now the rest, okay, one more lucky person coming on stage and the rest of the questions will be from the audience itself.
Hello. Hi, sweetheart. How are you? Fine. Thank you. Did you face any problem while shooting the movie Ninja? I've gotten hurt quite a bit. My lip was split. I was bruised. My knee is still busted. But it was all worth it. Exactly. Thank you so much.
Okay. यार मेरे को आप लोगों से एक सवाल है, सुनाई दे रहा है कुछ आपको? मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. Anyways, next question please.
They can't hear me.
Can you hear that? They perfectly can. Alright. So the next question from the audience please. Okay. Something is going on. Alright, so we'll have one more question.
Hi madam, my name is Abdul Ghani.
Hi.
I've come from Tamil Nadu
Hi.
for a program here. I work with former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Amazing.
And my big congratulations, first of all, for taking up this kind of a character and doing it. And my questions to you,
Yes.
still today the commercial market is so tough,
Yes.
okay, because of various aspects of glamorous and other things. It's really this kind of bringing up the stories of such unsung heroes and taking up how challenging you feel.
In terms of commercials,
Yeah, in terms of commercials.
honestly, since I'm a creative person, I don't actually think about all of that. Honestly, I don't. I just go for the story that I think touches me and I feel like people should see. But commercial, I'm a producer's daughter as well. I'm third generation in this film industry. We've been producing films for 3 generations. So I understand that commerce is very, very important. But if more good films are being made, and I honestly feel the audience is intelligent enough to understand good content and good cinema, I think they will go because their expectations are so low, they don't expect good films. So hopefully, in the past couple of years, I've seen that the trend is completely changed, and there are a lot of great films with great content. Some of them are very entertaining as well, and some of them are very real as well. They're all doing well now, and it's just about investing correctly in the project and understanding the returns of it, like any other business.
विकास फुटेज भी क्लियर करना
Right, brilliant. Okay, guys, so alright, I guess we're done with the interactive session. Thanks a lot for answering all of our stupid questions.
Thank you.
And guys, before you start jumping around, I want you to notice that date. Poster right there, 19th February.
Are you guys going to go see the film or not? Oh, that's a really loud whistle. Who's doing that? She's been awarded the Mother Teresa Award, and she is the next unsung hero here to speak to you. So please give her a round of applause for her. Honestly, guys, and give her the love that you've given me, because she deserves it way more. Okay? Bye.
And
Bye.
just one thing before you leave, ma'am, we'd like to present you with a token of appreciation. I'd like to welcome Professor Soumya Mukherjee, the Dean of Student Affairs, on stage so that we can present her with a token of appreciation from our side. Guys, please. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause once again for Sonam Kapoor.
चलिए मैं
Now for
वॉशरूम को
group
गया
photos.
I love you all so much, but I get into so much trouble, and I really want to come back here. So, tons of love, okay? What do you want? What do you want? Okay, you're not, but you're एक्साइटमेंट है क्राउड में और सब जानते हैं नीजा के बारे में. आई थिंक हमने एक अच्छा जॉब किया है टू मेक एवरीबडी अवेयर ऑफ द फिल्म एंड द यूथ आर रियली रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू इट, स्पेशली गाने के साथ. तो मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द रिस्पॉन्स.
हम जानना चाहेंगे कितना अफसोस होता है कि निर्जा नहीं रही, अगर काश वो बच जाती हैं, आप उनसे इंटरेक्ट कर पाते हैं.
हाँ जी, आई रियली होप सो, पर बिकॉज वो शहीद हो गई, आई थिंक दैट्स अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड टू यूज़ फॉर हर. इसलिए उनकी कहानी इतनी इंस्पिरेशनल है मेरे हिसाब से. पर इट्स लाइक यू सेड, बहुत सैड बात है कि शी हैड टू पास अवे फॉर अस टू गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय हर, विच इज़ अ वेरी सैड थिंग.
जैसा कि आपने बताया कि आप काफ़ी लोगों से मिली, आपने डायरेक्टर को आपने ये हिदायत दी कि हमें लोगों से मिलना चाहिए और उनके बारे में जो बारीकी है वो पता करनी चाहिए. तो आप किन किन से मिली और उनके पेरेंट्स से बात हुई या फिर
जी उनके अनफॉर्चुनेटली हर डैड हैड पास्ड अवे, हरीश जी हैड पास्ड अवे, पर रमा आंटी तो थी. तो उनसे मैंने बहुत बातें की और अनीश और अखिल से भी बात की, उनके जो भाई हैं, और उनके दोस्तों से, कलीग्स के साथ, नीजा के कलीग्स के साथ, whoever was knew her, उनके साथ मैंने बहुत बातें की. एंड मैं आपको इतना बोल सकती हूँ, not one person had one negative thing to say about her. सब everybody was talking about her कि यार वो ऐसी थी, इतने अच्छे क्वालिटीज़ थे इस लड़की में. इट्स वेरी डिसहार्टनिंग कि 23 साल की उम्र में वो चली गई.
मैम निर्जा की कोई ऐसी क्वालिटी थी जो आपने अटैक की हो?
ग्रेशियसनेस, कंपैशन और वो सब में अच्छाई देखती थी.
मैम जब कभी मुसीबत आती है
हाँ जी.
बहुत सारे लोग जान बचा के भागते हैं.
हाँ जी.
उस मोमेंट में क्या होना चाहिए? मतलब बहुत सारे लोग ये समझते हैं कि हम बच जाए, सब जा रहे हैं तो
नहीं, आई थिंक इतना भी इंटेंस नहीं है. मतलब हम मामूली लोगों के लाइफ में ये इंस्टेंस बहुत कम आता है, पर अगर आता है तो इट्स आवर ड्यूटी टू हेल्प पीपल, टू हेल्प अदर पीपल. आई थिंक सो. इवन दो हम सब बोलते हैं कि सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट, ये वो, आई थिंक ऐसा नहीं है. वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, वी आर बॉर्न विद कंपैशन एंड लव एंड अफेक्शन. हमें वो उसे इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. हम लोगों को यू हैव टू हेल्प अदर पीपल.
निर्जा के बाद अगर बात करें तो आप अपनी लाइफ में किसको एडमायर करती हैं जो आपके रोल मॉडल हैं, एक्सेप्ट योर फादर एंड मदर?
एंड नीजा
की बात करें,
Nirja Vinod, for me is role model.
Ma'am, does your character Nirja deserve a national award?
National award, Nirja, I don't know, but she got an Ashok Chakra, which is technically a national award. So I think उसे जो award मिलना था मिल गया. Thank you.